if you click on the star button over here, you're about to reveal like a magical world. You click on that and then you see the URL that you're currently on. So basically, you can create custom rules for any website on the internet. Now, I know some people get overwhelmed by this kind of thing, but it's worth listening and taking this in so that you can save time long term, especially business owners, drop shippers, data entry people. Listen closely. On this URL, you will have rules. So now you can decide which form filler works best for you on this page so that when you click this, you won't see all of the different form fillers. So let's say my favorite one for this form is the regular fill form button. That's my favorite one for this page. I can also click on this, which will make sure that it auto fills on the extension click. When I click the Chrome extension, it will automatically fill the form with the data on the clipboard. That's going to save me around 10 seconds. Additionally, you can add an extra prompt for this specific form on this specific page of the internet, which basically means you can customize the behavior of this form filler depending what website you're on. So let's say you're on ebay.com or on this website.com, and let's remove this so that it works on every single website which starts with this. And then let's say you type, for example, capitalize the first name and don't fill the last name ever. Yeah. And then you click save. Now watch what's going to happen now. Let me just refresh the page. And what you're about to see is basically how you could use AI to save you time if you're a dropshipper, or if you're filling forms or doing anything of that nature. So as you can see, I just clicked the form and it just literally filled in the form. I didn't even get a chance to tell you what I'm doing. But let me just refresh that again. I'm sorry, that was too fast, okay? That was too fast. Let me slow down. Listen, when I click this Chrome extension, what's going to happen? It's going to autofill this form on click, and it's going to capitalize the name, and it's not going to enter the last name because those were my custom prompt details. Let's test it. 3, 2, 1, click. Watch. My hands are up. Done. It capitalized the full name and it didn't enter the last name, even though the last name was in the dummy data. And the reason why is because of the custom prompt. Now, that's what makes Chrome Zippy Fill so perfect, because basically you can customize it for any page of the internet. Now, if you go to the bottom here, you can see all of your rules.